Welcome to the Travel to Eternity channel and check out Fort Worth's top 5 Mexican restaurants in the area. Fort Worth has always had a long history with some beloved family-run Mexican restaurants over the years. Number 5 on our list is El Paseo. They serve traditional Mexican food from the country's original recipes. The eatery has been opened since 1986. It is renowned for its exquisite dishes cooked with the finest meats and the freshest ingredients. They also give you a platter featuring nachos, flautas, and quesadillas. There are dips like sour cream and guacamole. They also provide chicken tortilla soup and chili with queso. Along with flour tortillas, beans, rice, and a choice of sauce, they also offer house specialties. These options include carne guisada, steak ranchero, and pollo a la mexicana. Number 4 on our list is T Garcia's. Located in the historic stockyards in the north side and has been a family-run restaurant since 1935. This is a relaxed, roomy restaurant with a patio that serves Tex-Mex cuisine. They provide an all-day menu that includes fajitas, tacos, nachos, and other items. They provide beef, chicken, and cheese quesadillas for lunch. Additionally, there are bean chalupas and chimichangas. T's also provides a large assortment of alcoholic drinks at their full bar, including sangria, margaritas, pina coladas, and many other drinks are available. The best assortment of Tex-Mex cuisine made from traditional family recipes can be found at number 3 with Los Vaqueros, also located in the Stockyards Northside community. They promise to provide high-quality cuisine options and client service. They also offer food for both small and major events. They hold a variety of events while showcasing historic Fort Worth's picturesque surroundings. Additionally, they provide crispy beef tacos and chicken fajitas with sour cream. Also available are vegetarian fajitas, tacos, and enchiladas. Rice and beans are included in the meal orders. Since 1989, Uncle Julio's has been the neighborhood's favorite Mexican eatery. The finest ingredients are used to make the dishes from scratch. Quesadillas, fajitas, and chili con queso are all on the menu, and the well-known fajita dish can be ordered with skirt steak or chicken. They also provide beef and chicken enchiladas among other traditional Tex-Mex dishes. There are also combination dinners available, which will undoubtedly please the palate. And now for number 1 on our countdown is Los Molcajetes. The traditional Mexican mortars and pestles known as molcajetes are used by the restaurant to grind, crush, and combine spices. They also offer a wide variety of freshly prepared foods. They provide chili con queso, fajita salad, and stuffed jalapenos. There is also a sampler that contains flautas, nachos, and chicken fajita quesadillas. They provide delicacies including Monterey chicken, a barbacoa plate, and brisket tacos. Additionally, they provide various combination platters that all include rice and beans. Check out Los Molcajetes at one of their 3 DFW locations. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the Travel to Eternity channel's Top 5 Mexican Restaurants in Fort Worth, Texas.